Oh, hello, you there? Hello, I'm the doctor.
Yeah!
And today, we're talking about, you guessed it, the Sonic Screwdriver. Okay, I think you know about the Sonic Screwdriver.
Stop coming close to me. Because I put it like, to where like, okay, like if I'm really far away, they'll see you perfect.
Okay. The Sonic Screwdriver is a do-everything device. Here's why.
Stop getting close to us.
The Sonic Screwdriver is a do-anything.
Oh no! It's a Dalek! Run for your lives! Hey, my bad. No, pretend. Hold on. Pretend that's a Dalek. Pretend that's a Dalek. Oh my god, that's a Dalek! Run for your life! It's chasing me!
Anyways,
He's a doctor.
Here's the function that I can do. It can hack into stuff. I can just go scan the bloody area.
Stop getting close to me.
Scan the area, unlock stuff and lock stuff. Explode stuff and track stuff. Yes, you heard me right. Explode stuff.
Oh no! Doctor! That Dalek is attacking us! It's attacking those people! Bomb it away!
Boom. It's gone.
Good job, Doctor!
Oh God. Anyways, this has an expander. It has like these things you can grab you. Like, anyways, these are the main. This is the main ones, and this one is for blowing stuff up. I don't think you can hear it. That's what I was talking. This one's for tracking. Anyways, I think that's pretty much it. I'm the doctor. I'll see you guys.
He's the 11th Doctor and I'm the 9th Doctor.
Oh God. Anyways, here we go. See you next time.